A major step toward cryptocurrency industry regulation was achieved when the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit ruled in the XRP case that cryptocurrency transactions on the secondary market are not securities. An important precedent has been set by the federal judge's ruling in the case of SEC versus Ripple Labs, which bars the United States SEC from appealing the sale of XRP on the secondary market. According to John Reedstark, a former SEC official, Coinbase and Ripple took a huge hit when Judge Fehler rejected Judge Torres's reasoning in the Ripple judgment that secondary sales cannot be investment contract. Nonetheless, secondary market sales are now considerably clearer thanks to a recent verdict in a lawsuit against Coinbase. Controversy surrounds Ripple's stable coin as SEC intends to appeal Pure Bliss. On Thursday, Ripple announced its plans to join the stable coin market with a dollar peg coin built on the Ethereum blockchain. XRP is already being used by market traders, but any gains in XRP were short-lived as the SEC and Ripple continued with their case against Ripple. The SEC submitted an opening brief on March 26 in their case from December 2020, stating that Ripple keeps violating the 1933 Securities Act. Ripple has until April 22 to submit its objection brief regarding the remedy, and a redacted version is due on April 24. By April 22, the amount of the fines for selling unregistered XRP to institutional investors can be ascertained through the filing. It is crucial for Ripple to show that it did not sell unregistered XRP US-based institutional investors following the filing of the complaint. If Ripple is unable to prove that all XRP sales were made to institutional investors situated outside of the US, it might face a $1 billion fine according to the Supreme Court's decision in Morrison Nab, which established that the SEC solely has authority over sales that occur within the US. Regardless of the outcome, Ripple's business goals in the US could be severely impacted by a bad verdict. The SEC's attempt to appeal the order regarding programmatic XRP sales has been a constant drag on the price since July 2023, when a judge decided that XRP sales did not meet the third prong of the Ho test. In October, the SEC's motion for interlocutory appeal was denied by Judge Torres's court. As a result of this order, the SEC will be unable to appeal court rulings until the outcome of the SEC's Ripple lawsuit. This is due to the fact that the verdict in October was one of two court rulings in the ongoing litigation between the SEC and cryptocurrency companies. In December, Judge Rove confirmed that Terraform Labs and its creator, Duke One, had broken U.S. securities laws. Even though Judge Fehler did not grant Coinbase's motion to dismiss the allegations related to operating an unregistered securities exchange. A more recent development is that Judge Catherine Filler approved part of the motion to dismiss. This raises more uncertainty. In light of the court's judgment and the expected appeal, the cryptocurrency market is experiencing uncertainty. Some are worried about what will happen to XRP, Ripple's native cryptocurrency, after the news that they intend to create a stable coin backed by the US dollar. While other cryptocurrencies are highly dependent on their issuers, organizations, or even entire countries, XRP acts as a neutral token on the XRP ledger, reducing the risks associated with counterparties and increasing transparency thanks to its fully transparent nature. With its decentralized exchange and crypto, XRP remains a unique currency on the XRPL, even though stablecoins are spreading across other platforms and chains. A reader brought attention to the dollarization trend, which implies that stablecoins linked to the US dollar are becoming more common, potentially face challenges should confidence in the dollar decline. While other cryptocurrencies are highly dependent on their issuers, organizations, or even entire countries, XRP acts as a neutral token on the XRP ledger, reducing the risks connected to counterparties and increasing transparency thanks to its fully transparent nature. With its decentralized exchange and crypto, XRP remains a unique currency on the XRPL, even though stablecoins are spreading across other platforms and chains. Ryder brought attention to the dollarization trend, which implies that stablecoins linked to the US dollar are becoming more common, potentially face challenges should confidence in the dollar decline. This is a valid concern, and I'd like to address it by saying that Ripple views private stable currencies as a potential alternative technology. So why has it taken 10 years for them to successfully launch a liquid stable currency to the XRPL? The company's only focus is on developing XRP, a digital currency tied to the US to serve as a medium of exchange between states. Entering the stablecoin sector, which is believed to be valued $150 billion, the latest major move by cryptocurrency company Ripple. According to Ripple, The stablecoin will always have a backing from the company's reserve assets. These assets can be anything from deposits in US dollars, bonds issued by the US government, to cash equivalents or other liquid assets. The cryptocurrency firm promised to make public monthly attestation reports detailing his holdings, but it failed to say whose firm would be in charge of the audit. The company's only focus is on developing XRP, a digital currency tied to the US to serve as a medium of exchange between states. Entering the stablecoin sector, which is believed to be valued $150 billion, is the latest major move by cryptocurrency company Ripple. According to Ripple, the stablecoin will always have a one backing from the company's reserve assets. These assets can be anything from deposits in US dollars, bonds issued by the US government, to cash equivalents or other liquid assets. The cryptocurrency firm promised to make public monthly attestation reports detailing his holdings, but it failed to say whose firm would be in charge of the audit. Ripple will launch its stablecoin in the US first, but the company is open to selling regional products in other regions. The legal battle between the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and Ripple has taken a new turn as XRP aficionados have characterized the commission's desire for a remedy as an abuse of authority. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has been criticized by the cryptocurrency community for their request for a remedy against Ripple Labs, a business that specializes in processing blockchain payments. A number of other advocates for XRP have also commented on the enormous difference in the demand from the SEC. Bill Morgan, a lawyer located in Australia, offered his opinion on the case, stating that the demand made by the SEC was an example of an unnecessary abuse of regulatory power. Attorney Morgan stated in a recent post on X that the Securities and Exchange Commission, NESC, loathes Ripple because of the company's unrelenting resistance in the litigation. This resistance has prevented the SEC from pursuing its aim of establishing control over the cryptocurrency industry for 3.5 years. Efforts have been made by the Securities and Exchange Commission to establish itself as the most suitable regulator for the cryptocurrency industry. This has resulted in the commission initiating a number of legal actions against cryptocurrency businesses, including Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Ripple. The case that it has brought against Ripple, on the other hand, has not gone as planned and has continued from December 2020 till the present day. The majority of the legal issues have been resolved in favor of Ripple, including the conclusion that XRP is not a security in and of itself. In addition, the court ruled in favor of Ripple and determined that the company's programmatic sales and other distributions of XRP do not constitute investment contracts under any circumstances. In addition, the Securities and Exchange Commission has refrained from pursuing charges against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. As a consequence of this, crypto aficionados, like as Morgan, think that Ripple's defense in the lawsuit has stopped the Securities and Exchange Commission from achieving its goal of gaining complete control over the industry. That's all for now.